Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today I'm down at the Gold Coast store and we've got a 2019 Nissan Navara NP300. This car's come in for a custom dyno tune. This one has a 2.3 litre bi-turbo 4-cylinder engine in it. We're looking forward to tuning this one so I can show you the results. But before we tune it, we've got to get it in the workshop and do the pre-tune inspection. This is a vital part of the tuning procedure here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. This inspection is to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good and there are no fluid leaks. The inspection on the NP300 is now being completed, it's all good to go and ready to hit the dyno for the custom dyno tune. This Navara is a company car. It's used as a daily driver to drive around the suburbs, it's used to go on the beaches and also in the bush, but it's hardly ever used for towing. It has a bit of extra weight in the rear of the canopy and also has a heavy bull bar on the front. The owner is chasing more all-round power and torque and improved drivability. He's also chasing an improvement in fuel economy. So with the tune, we're going to be focusing on accomplishing his goals as well as concentrating on what the vehicle is being used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running correctly with no underlying mechanical issues, then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. We've now completed the custom dyno tune on the Nissan Navara NP300. Let's have a look. When the NP300 presented to us, it had 102 kilowatts of power and 330 newton meters of torque at the rear wheels. After completing the custom tune on the vehicle, it went to 138 kilowatts of power and 441 newton meters of torque. This represented a 34% gain in peak torque and a 35% gain in peak power. There you go guys, another Nissan Navara NP300 custom dyno tuned by us here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Great results. This customer was looking for better drivability and more power and torque. We've transformed the performance of this Navara with gains in power and torque north of 30%, which will be so noticeable when he's driving this car every day for work. So when you're looking to custom dyno tune your car, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we've got dealers all around Australia that can help you tune your car as well. And remember, subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.